Pregnancy is one of the most nutritionally demanding times in a woman's life, requiring increased levels of key vitamins and minerals to support the rapid development of the growing fetus. Among the most vital nutrients during this period are the B vitamins, a group of water-soluble compounds that collectively assist with cellular growth, energy production, brain function, and DNA synthesis. But within this group, one stands out in its critical importance for fetal health: folate, also known as vitamin B9. Folate plays a central role in the earliest stages of pregnancy, and getting enough of it before and during pregnancy can make the difference between a healthy start to life and serious developmental complications. Combined with other B vitamins, a folate-rich diet helps lay the foundation for healthy growth, strong organ formation, and long-term well-being of both the mother and the child. Folate is essential for the synthesis of DNA and RNA, the genetic material in every cell. During pregnancy, when cells are dividing at an extraordinary rate, the demand for folate skyrockets. It's not just about forming new tissue, it's about ensuring that each new cell has the right blueprint and instructions to build properly. Perhaps the most well-known benefit of folate in pregnancy is its role in preventing neural tube defects, NTDs, a group of serious birth defects affecting the brain and spinal cord. Conditions such as spina bifida and anencephaly occur when the neural tube fails to close properly within the first few weeks of development, often before a woman even knows she is pregnant. Adequate folate intake, either through food or supplementation, dramatically reduces the risk of these outcomes, which is why prenatal vitamins almost always include a higher dose of folic acid, the synthetic form of folate. The need for folate doesn't stop after the neural tube forms. Throughout pregnancy, folate continues to support the formation of the placenta, the development of blood cells, and the growth of new tissue in both the fetus and the mother. It also plays a role in the development of the baby's brain and spinal cord and may influence cognitive and behavioral outcomes later in life. For the mother, maintaining sufficient folate levels helps reduce the risk of anemia and supports her increased blood volume as the pregnancy progresses. Women who are planning to become pregnant are strongly encouraged to begin taking folate-rich supplements or eating folate-rich foods even before conception to ensure this critical nutrient is available at the earliest stages of development. But folate doesn't work alone. Other B vitamins, including B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B6 pyridoxine, and B12 cobalamin, also contribute to a healthy pregnancy by supporting metabolism, reducing fatigue, and facilitating the development of the baby's nervous system. Vitamin B6, for example, helps regulate mood and energy in the mother and is often used to ease nausea during the first trimester. B12 is vital for red blood cell production and neurological development, and like folate, it plays a key role in preventing neural defects. Together, these nutrients form a network of support that ensures energy is produced efficiently, tissues grow properly, and the intricate process of fetal development unfolds with balance and precision. The best way to ensure optimal B vitamin levels during pregnancy is through a combination of whole foods and high-quality prenatal supplements. Foods naturally rich in folate include leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and romaine lettuce, legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, and fruits like oranges, avocados, and bananas. Whole grains and fortified cereals often contain added folic acid and other B vitamins, making them a convenient part of a prenatal diet. For B12, which is found primarily in animal products, pregnant women who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet should consider fortified foods or supplements to maintain sufficient levels. Eggs, dairy, poultry, and lean meats all contribute valuable amounts of B vitamins and are especially helpful for supporting overall growth and nutrient balance. Staying well hydrated also supports the proper transport of B vitamins throughout the body, since they are water-soluble and not stored long-term. This means the body requires a steady daily intake, particularly during pregnancy, when the nutritional demands are elevated. Regular meals, adequate caloric intake, and a focus on nutrient density help ensure that both the mother and the baby are getting everything they need for healthy development. One of the most encouraging aspects of a B-rich prenatal diet is how accessible it is. With careful planning and consistency, The right foods can be incorporated into everyday meals without difficulty. A breakfast of whole grain toast with avocado, a lunch of lentil salad with leafy greens, and a dinner featuring grilled chicken with brown rice and steamed broccoli can together provide significant amounts of folate and its supportive B vitamins. Add a prenatal supplement to fill in any remaining gaps, and the body is equipped to handle the extraordinary task of building a new life from the ground up. Pregnancy is a time when every nutrient counts, and B vitamins, especially folate, are among the most important allies in supporting healthy development. They help form the very structures of life, from the spine and brain to the blood and organs, and their impact lasts long after birth. A strong nutritional foundation during pregnancy can influence a child's lifelong health, resilience, and cognitive potential. By prioritizing B vitamins, women give their babies the best possible start and empower their own bodies to meet the challenges of pregnancy with energy, clarity, and strength. In the journey of bringing new life into the world, these quiet, essential nutrients play a powerful, positive role every step of the way.